Bonnie, happy Sunday, happy Father's Day. My husband very graciously agreed to come on with me for the Dr. Squatch video I just did, and now he's happily relaxing for the rest of Father's Day. But I have one more video. I've been wanting to do these two BoxyCharm boxes for a really long time. They came like 5 days ago, and I've just been so immersed in Bath & Body Works on my annual sale. I haven't gotten to these, so I'm going to do these boxes today, and then we'll dig back into some annual sale tomorrow. I can't wait to find out what Monday brings. So this month was BoxyCharm Luxe Month, which is super exciting, which means that instead of the base box, you get the Luxe box, and it's so confusing. So the premium box was $35. This is the premium box. And then you pay $25 for the base, and then an additional $24.99. So it's like a total of $49, and then you get the Luxe box every 3 months. So we're going to dig into premium first. So this is the premium for June. Check this out. And I got a card here. It says, Dare to Dazzle. I cannot stand how small the writing is on these. Believe me, this is tiny writing for a 51-year-old. Or anyone over 40, probably. So the first thing I got was the Marc Jacobs Beauty Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. That's always a good thing. I love getting different mascaras to try. $27 value. Like I said, would never pay $27 for mascara. That's why I get the beauty boxes. Next up, the Lorac Unzipped Unauthorized Eyeshadow Palette. Look how pretty the box is. I haven't even looked at this palette yet. I just kind of opened the box, but I have not actually looked at everything yet. Let me do a little sneak peek at this. Is it Lorac or Lorac? I always goof that one out. Let's see what's in here. I've used their products a lot. Now I can't get it out of the box. Oh my goodness. There we go. That was a tough one. I'm just crashing this box now because it's all messed up. That's okay. I'm actually going to use this. Let me cover up the mirror. This is actually a pretty summer palette. Look at that. And you get a brush. Is this a brush or a foam? No, I think you get a brush with that. That's really nice. Look at that. I like this end color. So that's a nice palette. Definitely worth it there. That was the $25 value. Next up, I got the Skin Regime. $115. What is that? Skin Regime. This is a Hydro Plumping Concentrate. I may or may not use this. If I don't use this, I will gift it. I have a lot of people in my family who like getting the skincare products from me. Next up is the Moroccan Oil Perfect Dense. This is a, what is this? This is cool. For all hair types, this is a protector. I like these. These are nice. You can spray them on before you style. It says, rehydrates hair, protecting against damage effects of heat styling. These are actually nice. $28 value. Full-size product because this is the premium box. I got two more things in here. I got the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. One of these days I'm going to put fake eyelashes on and we'll see what happens. Being 51 and not being able to see, this should be an experience. I also got the Floss Beauty, the Concierge Cheek and Lip Tint. Ooh, this is nice. I always like the lip and cheek combos. I'll put these like in my purse or a beauty bag. Let me see what this one looks like. Oh, you know what? I love these. Look at this. This is really pretty. Look. So then, like, if you're in the car or something, you don't even need a mirror or, anything. This one's actually darker than I thought, but it's not bad. Check it out. Needs rubbed in a little bit. As my daughter would say, Mom, your blush is too... Let me see. But you know what's nice about these? If you just rub them a little bit more, they start to look more natural. And it didn't rub off on my fingers. So this is actually really nice. Let me see what it looks like as a lip tint. That's really nice. Okay, I'm actually excited about this product, and it's a screw on top, so it's not going to fall off in your purse. $22 value. So overall, really nice premium box this month. I think I like everything. So Next up, we have the Lux box. Check this out. This one comes, like I said, every 3 months. I got the card here. Same theme, Dare to Dazzle. Okay, I'm going to dig in here. First up is the Ciate London I Am Woman palette. Check this out. Now, this box is $49. You're getting a lot more than $49 in this box. That's why I like getting beauty boxes, because I'm definitely a little bit addicted to beauty products. I like getting new palettes, and this is a nice way to do it. So check this out. This one is actually really pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys. Gorgeous pink shade palette. Look at that. I am really loving this palette. I will definitely utilize these. I like these mauves, especially into fall. And there's nothing more exciting than grabbing a fresh palette to use. I always enjoy doing that. I'm actually going to get rid of, there's like a little paper in there. Get rid of the box. Let me see what the paper is. Are there like, oh, this is just, all it is, I don't know what the heck this is. Oh, it's just, oh, you know what? It's Famous Women, little quotes from Famous Women. That's cute. Benefit Cosmetics, we got the Brow Styler Eyebrow Pencil and Powder Duo. Getting rid of the paper. Check this out. Again, full-size product. I don't really worry about my brows too much because I do wear my bangs pretty low. My mother-in-law likes these though. $34 product. Oh, I missed the NARS blush. Check this out. We did get a NARS blush in here. It's always fun to get a blush. That is a $30 value. My hair is doing really weird things today. It's just, like I said, it's just curling up. It's over frizzing. I need to tame my hair down. Next up, what do we have? We have the Avante Skincare. Oh my gosh. Hyaluronic acid. This is the Avante replenishing. Oh, this is a lip serum, you guys. $122 for a lip serum. I don't know if my lips are that bad. Check this out. I would never in a million years pay $122 for that, but I will try it because it came in a beauty box. Again, what a neat way to try stuff. Next up, we have, oh, this is so fun. The Moxie Lash Sassy Luxe Bundle. Get ready to ditch your glue-on lashes for good and level up. So basically, these are those brand new magnetic lashes. I should really try to do a demo on camera of this. I don't know what would happen, but I'm so intrigued by these magnetic lashes. This is a $90 value. It says mini magnetic liner, removable swabbies, and zipper pouch. I have no idea what's in here. I'm gonna have to figure this out, but that's actually kind of cool. I'm excited to try this. So I did get that. And then I got the First Aid Beauty Gentle Foaming Face Cleanser with amino acids. I will throw this in the shower. I like to kind of cycle through, use a couple of different products once in a while. So that'll be a nice summer product. Check that out. That is a $22 value. And then I got the Tula. Is this the one? Oh my gosh, it's a big product. Get rid of that box. This is the Tula Brightening and Neutralizing Eye Balm. $32. Okay, never tried an eye balm before. I might try that. And then finally, check it out. I got a hand soap. This is the Fresh Green Leaves scent. Smith French Dublin, $25 value, made in Ireland. How fun is this? Oh my gosh. It's funny because they sealed it, but they didn't really seal it that good because I can just twist it up. Oh my gosh, you guys, this smells really planty. This is definitely a planty product, but kind of exciting. I'm curious to try this. Invigorating hand wash packed with uplifting essence. It's wild pine, woodland mint, and rosemary. I thought I smelled a little mint in there, but that's a really big bottle. So what is the grand total for this month? Let me see. So it's like 7,500, oh my gosh, well over $400 as I'm doing this very quickly. In this box, I paid $49. Like I said, I really do enjoy getting the BoxyCharm. I get the Luxe. I like to show you guys what's in the Luxe, and it's fun. And like I said, I get, you know, cool new palettes. I'm really excited about this new palette from Ciate London. Those are beautiful shades. So anyway, that is Boxy Luxe and Boxy Premium for June. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Father's Day. I will be back tomorrow. There are storms rolling in. I just looked at the radar. Big storms. I hear the thunder in the distance, so hopefully it doesn't get too bad here. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.